Hello, beautiful people. I am Khushbu Lutia, and today I have come to share something which is very important. मुझे आप लोगों से बात करनी थी इस बारे में और मैंने सोचा इससे और बेटर क्या हो सकता है, राइट? So today I want to share something which is really very important for me, and I'm sure it is going to be important for all of you, right? So guys, just answer me few questions. हमें ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? I heard many answers like love, happiness, हमें खुशी चाहिए होती है, हमें प्यार चाहिए होता है, we want satisfaction, we want money, we want lot of things, right? But if I come to the most important thing again is people generally said our two answers is happiness and love, right? So if I work on कि yes हमें सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि हमें प्यार मिले या हम किसी को प्यार कर सकें. So again there is a lot of problems in it, right? For example, I love my husband the most, but my husband loves my daughter the most. और ये हर बार होगा, right? कि मैं कुछ चाहती हूँ और कोई और कुछ और चाहता है. Even if I say I love my husband and my husband loves me the most, but it cannot be anytime 100%. How can anything be like 100% perfect? या 100% वो ऐसा ही है? Very difficult, right? तो फिर क्या होगा? There could be lot of things, lot of misunderstandings, problems. Other thing, we also want to understand people. We want के लोग हमें समझे, हम लोगों को समझे. एंड प्यार के लिए समझना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अगर हम किसी को जानते नहीं हैं, अगर हम किसी को पहचानते नहीं हैं, अगर हम किसी को समझते नहीं हैं, तो उससे हम प्यार कैसे करेंगे, है ना? सो द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नाउ इज़ there is only one person that is going to love you exactly the way you are going to love that person. So do you know who that person is? You, yourself. Because it's only you. जितना प्यार तुम खुद से करोगे वो खुद भी उतना ही प्यार तुमसे करेगा, right? And it's only you. So the second question is, क्या हम खुद को जानते हैं? क्या हम खुद को पहचानते हैं? क्या हम खुद को समझते हैं? I have lot of questions. I know at least I am not able to do that because each and every day of my life मैं खुद को और better समझ रही हूँ. There is lot of things that I'm understanding and knowing about myself each and every day, and I'm sure it is the answer with you. But have you thought that simple question, that do you know yourself? I always had this question right from the childhood as to who am I? What am I doing? What is my purpose? Why am I sitting here? Why am I talking? Why am I doing whatever I am doing? A lot of things. So, what to do? So, the answer is know yourself, experience yourself, connect to yourself, and each and every day, I guarantee something new will open up. Something new about yourself that you will become aware about yourself will come up. So are you interested to know more about yourself? Then please do join me for another updates as to how it is possible to experience yourself, to know yourself a little more better than you already know. And I'm sure and I can guarantee you that this is going to be like a miracle and magical, that you will become aware about yourself a little more better, with more clarity and understanding. And that is really going to be loved. That you are going to love it the way that you are. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates on knowing yourself. Bye bye.